Hey guys, today we're going to do 10 biker signals that you should know about. Not all of these are universal, but they're good to know just in case one day you're riding in a group or by yourself or with one other person and they signal it and you know what they're trying to say to you without having any verbal communication. So let's get right into it.
Are y'all ready?
The first signal that we're going to go over is turning left. When you're turning left, all you do is put out your left arm. This signifies to the people behind you that you are about to turn left if your turn signals are not working or you don't have any. Now, to turn right, you would just put your arm up in a 90-degree angle. The reason for this is because the driver, if they pull out their right hand to signal, one, they're letting go of the throttle, and two, they're not going to be holding the brake lever or being near it, so in case of an event of emergency, they can't get to that brake lever real quick. Simple as that. Now, to speed up is simple. Palm up, and you say, come on guys, let's go. It's pretty universal. Come on, speed up, and then the opposite to slow down. To slow down, palm down, and you would just bring your arm down and kind of slow it down, guys. You get it. This one, I hope a good biker friend has warned you about. But the tap on the helmet, it means there's a cop ahead. You're not supposed to do this in front of cops because they know too. But this signifies to the riders behind you or, anywhere in your proximity that there is a cop ahead or nearby. So keep that in mind next time you're riding out. Now, if you need to pull over somewhere, this one's just that generic arm over the head and you're pointing to the side of the road. You're just signifying that you're about to be pulling over soon so that everyone behind you can keep that in mind that y'all are about to slow down and pull over. If you want to signal that you're about to stop to the people behind you, 90 degrees pointing down. Remember, pointing up is the right-hand turn, pointing down is that you're stopping. If you want to signify that there is a hazard on the road coming up ahead, the best way to signify that is to point to the road either with your left hand or your right foot. This will signify that, hey, there's something up ahead on the road, y'all watch out. Now sometimes people use their right foot to signify that they're switching lanes, and they'll do that to signify that they're switching lanes. I've seen that. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the famous biker wave, 2 fingers down as to keeping those 2 wheels on the ground. Not everyone does it, and Harley riders are known not to do it, but I've met a few Harley riders who do, but that is the nice way to greet your fellow riders out on the road. Just 2 fingers down to make sure they keep their 2 wheels on the ground. And when you first start riding, it's a pretty cool feeling once you get all those bikers waving to you, Now for the bonus last one, I'm sure they don't teach this one in any of the classes, but I think you should know. If you ever see somebody pull up on a motorcycle, whether you're a rider or not, and just stand on it and start go, it means that you're doing a great job while riding. You keep on doing what you're doing. So if you ever get that signal, it means keep on doing what you're doing. It means nothing bad at all. Trust me, I'm a YouTuber. We know what we're talking about. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you already knew these, or if I missed out on one that I probably should have added, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more motorcycle content from vlogs to bike reviews. And, y'all stay safe out there, and I really hope y'all have a great day.